Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking into how exactly you can make use of Git from Visual Studio Code. Okay. So I have one repository intro to Git. Okay, I'm going to clone this repository to my local machine. Okay, wherever you want to clone, you can navigate through terminal or you can open a file explorer as well. Okay, here let me open any of your favorite terminal you can open. Again, if you have bash, you can git bash. Okay, let me clone this quickly. Git clone followed by the URL of repository. Okay, you can see that this repository is cloned. I can close my terminal now. Okay, let's navigate into this particular folder. Okay, and now open Visual Studio Code. Okay, you can see that your code, whichever whatever code you have on your repository, you can find. Okay, now let me open terminal. Okay, from terminal you can type in any of your Git commands. Okay, it is an inbuilt tool. Okay, you can make use of it. You need not to use any GUI or Git bash utility for this. Okay, so if you can see in the bottom left corner, we are on master branch, and the repository name which is showing here is intro to Git. Okay, you can do any of your Git operations. Okay, let me type one. Let me create a branch. Okay, and then check out that as well. Git checkout -b branch one. Okay, let's do this. So now, if you can see bottom left, the branch has changed from master to branch one. Okay, now let me add one file here, sample 5.txt, and say this is a sample text file. Okay, usual command I can do like git add followed by my file name. Okay, enter, then I can do git commit as well. Okay, followed by message. Sorry. Okay, hit enter. Then you can do push. Okay, then you have to push it to your origin, right? Origin, and then the branch name. Okay, what is your branch name? Branch one. Okay, hit enter. Okay, so now your branch has been pushed to this particular branch of remote repository, right? So if I now go back to my browser here, okay, and reload the page, okay, you can see uh, branch one is created. There is also one notification here from GitHub that branch one has recently pushed less than a minute ago. Okay, I want to switch to this particular branch. Okay, I can see all the files we added this particular file, right? 1 minute ago. Okay, so you can perform any operation of Git right from the Visual Studio Code itself. You need not to open any other tool. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.